I'm Gigi and welcome back to my dollhouse. Guess who arrived just this morning? If you watched one of my previous videos, you may have heard my little reborn announcement that we were getting a brand new silicone baby. Well, she's here and oh my goodness, I am so excited to open her. My first silicone baby. Well, really, she's what's called a partial silicone. So she still has the cloth body, but her whole head, all her arms, and all her legs are silicone. If you don't know what silicone is, it is like a rubbery material. So the baby is really floppy. Come on, let's go open her up. I cannot wait. So I got a little impatient and already opened the box. But look! Oh my goodness! The sender just went above and beyond. Look! Everything is so beautiful. Here's the baby. Oh, look! We have a teddy bear. Oh, so soft and cuddly. I am loving this box opening so far. I love pink and pretty things and diamonds. So let's get into it. Already absolutely impressed, so amazed. Look! Ooh, let's continue on. It's a baby bottle. Aww. This is an amazing bottle. Wow! I cannot believe the amount of cool stuff in here. Wow, I don't know what to start with. A beautiful crochet hat and an outfit. Next one. Oh, look at this. A soft headband, a little singlet, and a sleeping bag. Oh my goodness. Wow. I am seriously so amazed with this packing. I love it. Lucky last. This might just be my favorite. Oh my goodness. That was just like my birthday, opening all those presents. Wow. Let's open the new baby. She's heavy. Whoa! Let's unwrap her! Oh my gosh. She is so cute. Time to see her head. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she is so cuddly and she's so soft. I love her so much. So here is her little squishy face. Let me show you. Here is one of her little hands. All her limbs are silicone. I've taken one of her feet out so you can see. So here's her whole leg and her foot is really floppy. Look at that little foot. She's so beautiful. Oh, my first little squish baby. How about we go and try on all her clothes and then I can reveal her name to you all. Okay, let's move on to outfit number 2. definitely my favorite so far. I'm gonna try and put her dummy in. I've never done that on a silicone baby before, but let's go try it. Oh my gosh, I did it! She is absolutely incredible. I can't believe how real she looks. I just can't stop staring at her. What do you guys think? I think she is perfect. She does have this outfit as well, but I don't have any pants that will fit her at the moment. I'm gonna try this on her another day. Are you guys ready to hear her name? Well, I'm ready to tell you. This beautiful girl's name is Emily Rose. I think it absolutely just suits her beautiful face. I'm gonna get her into her pajamas now, and then we can give her her brand new bottle, snuggles, and put her to bed. Let's go. Here she is, Emily Rose in her pajamas and her sleeper, looking a bit like a mermaid. Let's give her a little feed and a cuddle. She's all wrapped up, fed, and ready for bed. I might hang on to her for a little bit longer. I'm not done giving cuddles. Well, it's time for me to go now. I've had the best day today, and I hope you guys did too. If you liked today's video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Never forget to always be kind and always be yourself. Bye everyone. Bye.